Good morning. Today I am cleaning up my sweet Spanish onions. I pulled them out of the ground a couple weeks ago. Several were still very, very small. I think they got too much shade. Some still had green on them. They've been curing for a couple of weeks now. So what I did is I go through and I cut off the top and I cut the roots off so that they look like this. But when they were still green inside, you can see the center of this is still kind of green and juicy, whereas like this is nice and dry. From what I understand from people who know more about this, it's fine this way. They're just not gonna store. These are super tiny. I'm not even sure I'm gonna keep things like this. I mean, it's not worth it. What am I gonna get out of that? I did have at least one that was just mush at the end of this, so this is definitely going in the trash. So this is the end of my experiment to scatter onion seeds throughout my garden. And you know, I'm gonna call this a moderate success since I did get a couple usable onions, but I think my lesson learned is that they need a ton more sun, and I planted them in places where maybe they wouldn't get a ton of sun. If you remember, I tried this last year, but that time I planted onion starts in my garden and they did not do well either. I also planted them at the wrong time of the year. I planted them in fall, which I thought is what I was supposed to do, but I was not. This year I planted in the spring and I had much more success.